Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to search or select in SQL from a table in database. First open your Jump. Jump has opened. My database that I want to open is college. Click on it. So my table name is student. Click on it. Here are the records. There are 9 records here, so I want to search here through SQL command. So click on SQL. Here search option is executed through select key. Select, then asterisk from, then table name. Here asterisk refers to all, that means all the column of that table. Select all from table name. Select asterisk, that means all columns from table name. Select all from our table name is student. Then click on go. Here you can see all the records are shown here. Again, select all from student. And then click on go. You can find all the records here. If I just want to get the ID, then name and only country, not by email, then you have to write this way. Select ID, comma, then name, then country from student. Select ID, name, country from student, not email. Click on go. Here you can see email column has not been shown here. So now again select or not all, select ID, comma, name, comma, email from student, that is our table, and then semicolon. Here this is not mandatory, single quote. Select ID, name, email from student, that is our table. Here you will not be see the country column. Click on go. You can see ID, name and email have been shown, but the country column hasn't shown here. That's why you can search. Again, you can search by condition, applying condition. Suppose I just want to see the student from the country India. So you can provide instruction like select ID, name, country from table name, where then condition, where country equal India, where then condition. Select all from student where country India. Select all from student where country equal India. So click on go. Here you can see only 3 records have been shown from India. Country is India. Only student from India are been shown here. Again, select all from student where ID equal 5. Select all from student where ID equal 5. That means all the data for ID 5 will be shown. You can see only one record has been shown, ID 4, ID 5. Again, you can search like here, select all from student where ID greater than or equal 5. That means the ID where is greater than 5 or 5, that will be shown, and all the data will be shown for that ID. You can see 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 which are greater than or equal 5 for IDs that are being shown, not for ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can search like that, select ID, name for student where country equal USA. Click on go. Here name for, I just want to check USA. Here country USA for ID 4. Here the ID is 4 and name is Matt Henry. That has been shown here. So that's why you can search by select from the table in SQL database. Thank you everyone.